Welcome to this gorgeous custom home, ideally located in coveted West Park in Millersburg, a quiet community close to parks and with easy access to I-5. Built by Comfort Homes, this home of more than 3,600 square feet is situated on a large lot with RV parking. The grand entry opens to a light-filled great room with gorgeous windows, high ceilings, and beautiful millwork, including crown molding throughout. The chef's kitchen features a large island, granite countertops, custom cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, plus a large walk-in pantry. Elegant built-ins frame the formal dining area. The main-level master suite is a sumptuous retreat with a spacious master bath, separate vanities, and a huge dual-headed shower, plus a large walk-in closet with laundry. Another main-level bedroom includes its own office space. The covered patio is ready for entertaining and opens to the beautifully landscaped fenced yard, plus it's wired for a hot tub. On the upper level, a large bonus or bedroom has tray ceilings and a mini wet bar. Plenty of space in this 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home. Other features include 3-zone heating and air conditioning, plus a built-in vacuum and security system. The garage is extra deep with a 4th stall, a work area, and hot water for washing cars. An exceptional home in a great neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact TJ Garber with Premier Property Group.